Didn't look this way, did you, pillock? So, good morning, good evening, whatever time of the day it is for you. For me, it is 12:35 in the afternoon. And you join me leaving Tesco's, which has been absolutely hell. That's the only words I will use to describe it. Seems like everybody's thinking they need to stock up for the next 20 years. She hasn't even got a seatbelt on. Jesus. Absolutely horrible in there. Just people everywhere just leaving trolleys in the middle of the aisles, trying to turn trolleys around in spaces that are questionable to turn a trolley around in, instead of just pulling it backwards. And then the ones that do pull it backwards are pulling it in the middle and it's going left, right and centre. There was a queue for the scan as you go. Which is unusual, it's normally in grab and go, but no, there was about 5-6 people in front of me. I mean, and this is the traffic now. It's just ridiculous. I mean, when I came through on my way to Tesco's, this was all here. I think I actually filtered most of the way up. I just hate the fact that people, as I said earlier, they go absolutely terrible thinking that they need everything. Just buy your shit in advance. Nobody wants to be scrambling around a supermarket. I didn't want a great deal, I knew what I wanted. And I did not want to put it into the bike into neutral. Oh, it's an absolute nightmare. Just a nightmare. I put the cliff in of a Land Rover. He actually waved me through. Cheers, buddy. Go through this gap. Through there. Oh, it's just hell. I hate Christmas for this. Right. You're coming on my side of the road. You can fucking wait. Very simple. If I'm filtering through and I'm still on my side of the road and you need to cross from that side to get to my side, you wait. If I have to go onto your side, I will wait. But when I can do it without coming onto your side, you wait for me. Simple as. Oh, it's just horrid. Traffic everywhere. Why the fuck is he left to get this? Oh, come on, up my way. Oh, Jesus. You hate it to the last minute, or I didn't see it to the last minute, one of the two. Don't think about it, love. Don't you think about it, twat. Oh. It just reminds me of why I hate people. Oh, it's warm. It's a warm day today. I'm starting to sweat. So, after my little rant of Tesco's and trying to navigate through the bottom end of Ashby, what's the actual meat of the video? Well, since it's the 23rd, I feel like... Oh, come on, you could have fucking gone in. You put in the fucking goddamn room. It's only a Skoda Fabia. What's on? Okay. Oh. Oh, it was an i20. Oh my god. Even smaller than. Fuck my life. So since it's the 23rd, I thought I would make the video that I never made last year, just to wish everyone a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year and all that bullshit. I will of course be working Christmas Eve night. Probably won't get a freshly recorded vlog out between now and New Year. Just because I don't think I'll get a chance, basically. Although I've got some time off, but sort of after New Year, so but yeah, the trip down south, I started editing earlier. Started editing episode 1 on my new toy. I managed to get myself an iPad Pro 11" and the official Apple keyboard for what was it, £610, which is a steal considering the iPad alone, new from Apple and everywhere else for that matter, is £760. The keyboard case is 180 quid, but yeah, so it worked out. He sold me the iPad for $530, and he obviously then sold me the keyboard case for, that would be 80 quid. So yeah, fucking huge saving. But I installed no, that's cute. I installed LumaFusion, which is the app that everybody says to use, and whilst I didn't really, well, I've not had a problem with it. It was just the fact that I can't get, and this is, if anyone else uses an iPad and has the answer, then this will be, feel free to answer it for me. But I can't get I've got my hard drive plugged in, got that all set up. I can use that on my computer and on my iPad. That's not a problem. The files app plays every file back, not a problem. When I drop it into LumaFusion though, it plays first 5 seconds and then it just freezes. But as soon as I import the footage onto the iPad's internal storage, not a problem. So yeah, that's a bit of an issue, but there's a workaround there. Coffee and fars between, no problem. So the new portable editing machine has been chosen. It was just I was trying to use iPad OS 13 with a mouse. Obviously, because I recorded in half-hour chunks, I was just dragging it over and ended up going over. Oh, I don't know what I did. But yeah, so for the interest of it's all down to learning, that's all it is, and getting used to it. But in the interest of trying to get this little series done, I'm going to use Premiere Pro on the desktop because I'm familiar with it, and then this vlog should hopefully be the first vlog that I get to edit on the iPad, and I'll put up on screen if I don't or not. But so far, after my initial testing, there is no reason why I shouldn't be able to get it to use that. And then it just means when I go away for weekends, couple of nights, week, whatever, I can use that to offload video from the SD card's portable hard drive, so I haven't got to take the netbook, which I will never take again. Not for that purpose anyway. For running basic web browser, I've got a sticky clutch cable. Just running basic web browser tasks, and it's bearable, but I think it's safe to say that that little NC10 that was released with Windows XP is dead in the water. It still functions, it's just no good to me. And the battery shut as well, so hopefully the iPad will be the perfect replacement, and that will go with my lovely new iPhone, which I've had since end of November. There's a few reasons why I got an iPhone. The main one being I was fed up of Android. But that's another story for another day. Time, as I said, Happy New Year, Happy New Year, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year and all that. I don't know when videos will resume, because obviously I've been quiet for a couple of months. I've been busy with work and sleeping, plenty of sleeping. But yeah, so Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Stay tuned for the trip down south. I was going to try and do it as 3 videos. It's probably going to be a bit more. Might be about 4 or 5. Just depends on timing, so I don't really want to make them any more than 20 minutes. I'd like to keep them to 15, to be honest, but just by my normal vlog to 15 minutes, not going to happen. So take care folks, have a good Christmas, and I'll see you in the new year. Well, let's not have this average speed zone, because they do work. There is cameras and they do work, I have discovered the hard way. In fact, I can't even see the camera. Oh, there he is. That's another story for another day.